Sometimes you might want to keep the shipment details externally apart from your Orderhive account. Orderhive allows the capability of exporting the details of the shipments created within Orderhive in an Excel sheet from Shipments page. Shipments can be exported in 3 different ways. First, if you want to export some particular shipments only, then go to Shipments and select all the shipments for which you want shipment details to be exported. Then click on More. And click on Export. Select radio button of selected shipments and click on Export. This will generate a download notification, which as you can see. Next, if you want to export all shipments falling under a specific filter among these provided in Orderhive, then go to Shipments page, select required filters from those available on the top side of the page and click on Export. Select the radio button of filtered shipments and click on Export. Finally, if you want to export all the existing shipments, go to the Shipments page, click on Export. Select the radio button of all shipments and then click on Export. Once you have clicked on Export, after following any of these 3 options, an export of the shipments file will be initiated and you will receive a notification for downloading the file. Simply click on the notification and download the Excel file. There you go, folks. Exporting shipment details in a spreadsheet is easy and convenient in Orderhive. If you have any further questions or doubts, click on the chat icon below to speak to our product expert who is available 24/7. Hope you got some insight with this video. For more such videos, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And as always, thanks for watching.